The baby will go to school.
You're pregnant?
Yes.
Lang, abos ko yan.
Wow!
Finally.
Very hard.
Pero,
Ginawa ni Jace.
you're pregnant?
Yes.
You're pregnant?
It's confirmed.
Oh my God!
It's totoo. Oo, magtatoys. Patingin.
Yung kailangan ko para yun.
Bed rest ka kaya nga, pinipig na namin kayo. Ay, Diyos ko.
Mana ba?
Lang, abos ko yan.
Yes. At kaya minimit kasi pinapag-bed rest na.
Bukas ba mo?
Amen.
Wow! Yes.
What can you say?
Happy!
Jagia, she's pregnant. Finally.
Very hard.
Pero,
Nakapag-upload na ako kay Facebook.
Balik mo rin pera. Bakit na yan? Hindi mo na hingin ko. Balik mo pera. Parang buri mo ka na.
Ano gusto mo kainin? Gusto mo ano?
Kaya ba ako yung chicharon?
Yung king daw, yung king. Yung king na bigas. Wala.
Utras ang mga bugos.
Kaka-sexy mo yan.
Ah. Saan?
Ayan na, may baby na. Tapos may lipat mo, lipat. Sa kabila. Di kasi siya mapanatag hanggat walang heartbeat. O yan, may heartbeat na. O, normal daw lahat. Oh. Oh. Go to school.
The baby will go to school.
You want the baby to be in the school?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's still small inside the womb,
You get
inside the stomach.
You get
Good, right?
the kick.
Like this.
Yes.
And then they will,
Cut the stomach.
and then
Choose the stomach.
they will get the baby. And then close
Here. The stomach.
the stomach, like that.
Then you choose the
The
stomach.
stomach. And then mommy is okay na. Oh my God.
Like this.
You're excited.
Then you choose here.
What do you want, baby boy or baby girl?
Block the puppy.
What do you want, baby boy or baby girl?
The girl.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I thought baby boy.
One black and some puppy.
You buy walker for the baby.
Yes.
What color?
Pink.
Color pink? I wonder talaga.
You will get big. I will show you the mouth of sorry.
Tonta. Kuha to dede to mami. You're old na.